Hey everyone, this is Tracy with Color Me This. Today is an unboxing. It is episode 90. I am redoing the intro because it was a bit on the rough side. It is for the set of 180 Kalour full color barrels with the elephant on the front of the tin. I already own the partner black barrel red tin 180s, and I had been wanting the partner for having on hand for the coloring group to see how you can buy pencils, and they are made at the same factories, and a lot of them have the same names and numbers, and they're white labeled. I love Kalours and I love Brute Funers, so if I'm going to have a lot of the same pencil, of course I want to have the ones that I like and I will eventually use up. So here is also a third Color 28 Brute Funer. This is the student grade 520s. The flower box, I did spend the time to go through, and it does not match. I also went and looked at my Brute Funer squares, and those don't match. So these these three match. The rest of the video talks about the actual unboxing and shows what I did to figure out what I actually got. But I want to warn that I would not recommend that you buy from a seller who has no other pencil listings and they just started their account. The person did not go through the box until after I bid on it, and they did not ship. So 2 days after I was supposed to have gotten them, and it's coming from Florida, from Milton, Florida to Titusville, Florida. They said that they noticed that there were 3 pencils missing, so they felt it was important to send me a complete set, so they bought me replacement pencils. So I'm like, that doesn't really make any sense, so it'll be interesting to see what I get. When they told me that they were going to ship 3 days later, I had to ask again why I didn't see that they had actually been processed. It still only said label created. So now we're going to get back to the normal footage and unbox the box and see what we've got. Enjoy. So I finally saw that this was accepted in the system. The package had been received on the 16th. It told me that it was going to arrive the 20th, and I'm like, why would it take 4 days to get from Milton to Titusville? So 2 days later this morning, boom, here it is. I went and picked it up, and I haven't opened it yet, but here's what concerns me. Do you hear the shaking? So, being more of a experienced pencil person, I don't like hearing all the shaking. However, they did say they were going to throw in a gift for me, and that they hoped that I would like it and it would make up for the delays in getting this shipped. So I really don't know what I'm in for at all. The other interesting thing is that on the label that I bought, it says John Deere, and John Deere is a tractor company. So then, people are so funny. Underneath that, when I peeled away my label, it had some other person's name. So if they were sneaky and they created a fake named account somehow for shipping purposes to be anonymous somewhat, their real name is on this under label. Even though they put these lines in it with a knife, they didn't get rid of it in any way, and they didn't mark it. So I didn't want to reveal who they are, so I went ahead and was nice and put black marker on the front. So, you know, for me, when I buy things on eBay sometimes like this, it's a bit of a gamble and a bit of an adventure, and the cost of these pencils was $24.42, and that included the required sales tax. It was $5.50 or $6 shipping, and then I think I offered them $16.95. So let's just see what we have. We have a coloring book. I'm good with a coloring book. I love to collect them. Don't have many. You already know that I like to buy them used off of Amazon, and so that's good. And here we go. This is what I am fearful of with buying something from a person who isn't a colored pencil person. All of the pencils, as I was suspicious of, they didn't tape this box closed. This is indeed the elephant box. So it's not going to be easy for me to know if all of the pencils were included. But I will be taking a picture of this, and I will be making note in my review for them that they were very delayed and they did not package these pencils carefully. However, here they are. Like, here's one that these were used, so this one has been used. It doesn't look broken off to me, and it is shorter than the rest. I did have the pictures of them all nice and neatly in their trays to review how many pencils were used. So sadly, I have my work cut out for me. I will probably get my cups and try to keep these grouped as much as I can by tray. I'm not seeing, for all of their moving around, I don't see any broken tips. Most of these are not used. They look to me like a smaller core, you know, like a 3mm core, which is fine. Let's see if it tells me what the core is. So these are not, my black barrels were the 3.8mm core, and these are definitely not that. But they are the premium expert, and they are the elephant, like I said, that I wanted. So I have my work cut out for me getting these organized. I already have a case. I did a unboxing of the case. I will show you the case I bought. It's a 252 that I bought on Temu. So this is the case they will live in. I will set this aside. That I already had in my mind. So this is a 252 case, and the reason why I bought the larger size is it was really inexpensive, and it's just something that I like to peruse Temu once in a while for good cases. It comes with this really cute love strap, which I like, and it will be enough to hold these 180s plus another smaller set or any smaller random sets that I may get. I do, historically, I've always got the larger cases and stuck the two different sets of 120s or 100s, whatever. So that is my experience. I'm happy that they are here. I'm happy that so far it seems I don't see a lot of damage. I'm going to get another cup. I'm trying to keep each tray somewhat separate. All right, I thought I would take these 6 cups, keep the Crayola separate, and with you guys I would roll them out onto the trays just to see if I have all my pencils and if I can easily identify the other pencils. Now, they told me that it was missing 3 pencils, so that wasn't something that was declared on the listing itself. So let's just roll these out and see what we get. I did try to pull them out one tray worth of pencils at a time because they were sort of in their layers. So here's all of these, and we have one extra in that. I can tell you that the Crayola, when you compare the Crayola to the Kalour, the Crayola is a matte finish and the Kalour is a glossy finish, as well as the Crayola has a smaller diameter. It does have a larger core, but the diameter is a little bit smaller. So I'm hoping that means I will be able to figure out any of them that were not, because I was like, if they replace them with 3 more pencils, that means they bought another set of Kalours, but oh no, they did not. They probably ran to Walmart and bought cheap pencils. So let's see what we've got. All right, so that's good. They all look to be, and I figure whatever other random pencils they got, I don't know if they would even know what colors were missing. It depends on if when they got them, they were still in their trays. I'm thinking so, based on the color selections that I'm seeing here. Oh, I'm doing this backwards. Hello. Yeah, let's do it this way. We will put one of these. These trays are really flimsy. They're very shallow. They do not hold the pencils in. So there's a used pencil. Everybody here looks like they are Kalour. Yeah, this is definitely the way to go to see what you have. I believe this isn't a full amount of them. Let's just see. I didn't think there was a full chunk. So let's grab some of these. All right, there's another used one. Oh, I'm missing one. I'll just stick one there. Now I see they had said 3 were used, 2 were used, and then 3 were missing. Again, that was the 3 missing was not on the listing. So these are all Kalours. 2. So I've seen 3 used, not 2. And I don't want to be judgmental of people and over persnickety, but this definitely was not up to the standards I think even eBay would expect. Oh, I think I saw one. There you go. They gave me a maroon Crayola. All right. And I do not see a third Crayola, but perhaps it will rear its ugly head, so to speak. I say that because Crayolas aren't my favorite pencils. They're probably my least favorite. All right, so all 6 cups emptied. Let's take a quick look again. Row by row. So those 2 Crayolas jumped out at me. There's the 2 used ones. Almost done. What's funny is I think the only pencils that I've ordered, gotten, had at home, and lost 1 pencil are Kalours. I don't know how that happens, but I ended up, my mom's 120 I gave her is missing a pink. I don't even know if I told her that. I should probably let her know. And then I think the 180, both black barrels, I've somehow lost 1 pencil each. So there you go. I just thought that would be fun for you guys to see how they all fit together. This definitely makes me more happy. I am glad that I grabbed them by tray instead of letting them all get into a big pile, because I think it'll be easier for me to sort them. I am very grateful for the community that I will be able to go get a sort order chart without any problems, and that is lovely, so that I can get these all put in the case that I got them easily. All right, well, I do not see that 3rd one. So I did this little snippet of video after the fact, so I'm just going to splice this in, and we will return to the regular programming. All right, so that is all I have for now with this quick unboxing. I'm going to be doing my daily color next for the day. Everybody take care, and we'll see you all very soon to color some dinosaurs. Do all the YouTube things, like, share, comment, subscribe. And thanks for visiting.